The P0132 code indicates that the upstream oxygen sensor, also known as the O2 sensor, on bank 1, sensor 1, is reporting excessively high voltage, typically above 1.0 volts. This high voltage suggests a potential lean air-fuel mixture condition, wiring malfunction, or a faulty sensor. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder 1. This code is commonly seen in vehicles from the 1990s to 2010s, and increasingly in modern hybrids where sensor systems are integrated. Oxygen sensors, or O2 sensors, are devices that measure the amount of oxygen present in exhaust gases. They are typically located in the exhaust system and provide crucial data to the engine's computer. O2 sensors generate a voltage signal that fluctuates between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts, depending on the air-fuel mixture in the engine. This voltage changes based on whether the mixture is rich in fuel or lean in air. A voltage above 1.0 volts indicates insufficient oxygen, suggesting a rich air-fuel mixture or a sensor malfunction. This condition can be caused by a faulty O2 sensor, wiring issues, exhaust or vacuum leaks, or fuel injector problems. The most common cause of P0132 is degraded or contaminated O2 sensor. Most common cause, sensor wears out or gets dirty. The second common cause of P0132 is wiring shorts or open circuits, issues in the sensor's wiring harness. The third common cause of P0132 is exhaust leaks near sensor, leaks that affect sensor readings. The fourth common cause of P0132 is vacuum leaks in engine, air leaks causing lean mixture. The fifth common cause of P0132 is fuel injector issues, problems causing rich fuel mixture. The rare cause of P0132 is rare, failing PCM or coolant leaks, powertrain control module failure, or coolant issues. Start the diagnostic process by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0132 code is present in the vehicle's system. Next, inspect the oxygen sensor for visible damage, such as carbon buildup or wiring issues that could affect its performance. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage output. Normal operation shows fluctuating readings, while a consistently high voltage reading is a strong indicator of the P0132 condition. Finally, check for related diagnostic trouble codes such as P0131 or P0171, which can help further pinpoint the underlying issue. A common first step in addressing a P0132 code is replacing the O2 sensor, which typically costs between $100 and $300. Ensure that the replacement sensor is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Before installing the new sensor, carefully inspect the wiring harness and connector for any signs of damage or corrosion. Clear the code after installation and monitor for recurrence. If replacing the oxygen sensor doesn't resolve the P0132 code, focus on the wiring and exhaust system. Check the sensor's wiring harness for shorts, open circuits, or damage. Repair or replace any damaged wiring as needed. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks, particularly near the O2 sensor. Address any leaks by repairing or replacing the affected components. Preventative maintenance is key to minimizing O2 sensor problems. Use high-quality fuel and synthetic oils to reduce sensor fouling. Periodically inspect the O2 sensor and its wiring for any signs of damage. Automotive Service Association experts highlight that 40% of P0132 cases are wiring-related, emphasizing thorough wiring checks. Consider using DIY apps or YouTube videos for guidance. The automotive industry is rapidly shifting towards electric vehicles and hybrids. This transition is reducing the prevalence of traditional diagnostic codes like P0132. In electric vehicles, P0132 equivalents are much less common due to the absence of combustion engines and their associated exhaust sensors. EVs rely on different sensing systems for performance and safety. Hybrid vehicles may experience software glitches that cause P0132-like issues. These are often resolved through over-the-air updates, which wirelessly deliver fixes to the vehicle's systems. Future trends point towards smart sensors with self-diagnostic capabilities. These advanced systems could significantly reduce traditional diagnostic trouble codes like P0132 by 2030, improving vehicle reliability.